Man, I wish you could just feel like me right now, because I'm feeling so good. Okay, ready? Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Alright. Hey. Okay. Are you recording? It's time to do it. Hey. My name is J. Coop, and I do it real big. I do it like I am the kid. Hey, you need to quiet me down, cause I feel like I am clowning around too much. I'm trying to keep it real chill, trying to chill like the villain. I don't mean to step on your feet. If I do it, I'm sorry. I can't know what I'm saying right now. I don't pay attention to anything else. When I'm all by myself, I'm all up in my zone. I feel like I'm alone, you know me, yeah. Cause that's what I like to do. I like to do it like I'm, what? Whoa, I need to start the flow. Whoa, where am I going? I am lost on the road. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Maybe I'm having a meltdown. No, not right now. I need to feel good. I need to hit the black. No, I don't. I'm just gonna attack the beat. Yeah, that's what I'ma do. I'ma feel real cool. Yeah, this echo sounds nice, doesn't it? Yeah, I feel like ice cube. No, I'm cooler than a dude. Yeah, I'm real cold, real old soul. You know me, I'm JC. I love to do my thing. That could be the rap, it could be the singing. I don't know what I'm doing, it could be the blinging. Maybe not, maybe one. I'm in the spot, maybe in the club, hitting the dub in the back. Yeah, you know me, alright. Like 100 racks, you know me, I'm real tight. Wow, was it cool? Good, right? Alright, just making sure, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like this echo. Echo. You know I got the flow to do it all damn day. I can repeat myself and it'll still sound sick. Yeah, you know me like Slick Rick. I'm real cool. You know I'm the dude. No, I'm not. I'm JC. You know me. I am the best. Nobody can do it. Fuck the rest. I don't mean to cuss. Please, I must. To keep on going. To keep on flowing. I'm talking to you. I'm feeling real cool. Joey, just listen. No, don't. Everyone here can. I don't mean to flaunt my beat, but I can do it till I'm weak in the knees, so I'm sitting down. I'm feeling slow. I'm feeling like I'm ready to go. Want a chill beat, something maybe a bit slower. Maybe can I get that in? Maybe I'ma do it, my friend. I'ma rap the beat out. I'm about to do it. I might shout, I might get excited, but I'm trying that, fight that feeling. I need to slow down, chill myself out, so I can do it, and nobody else won't.